On this week's What to Sell Online on Amazon FBA here in Australia, we're going to talk about snow globes. Okay, so one of the things I really love doing, and I really particularly love about the Australian Amazon market, is the lack of sellers currently selling on Amazon. Now, this creates a great opportunity for folks like you and me who are doing what it takes to get our businesses onto Amazon, because clearly there are oodles of people shopping on Amazon that are currently underserved. So it's a really good idea to go to places like Amazon.com or Amazon.co.uk, or if you're feeling a little bit more cutting edge, places like Amazon Japan and Amazon Germany, places like that too, and look at what's selling really, really well in those marketplaces, and then bring those products, or bring certainly those product ideas, onto the market here in Australia. So this week I want to show you a good example of that and show you how you go about finding those too. So the example I've got for you this week is something really kind of weird. It's a little bit off the wall. It's something that you wouldn't ordinarily think about, but actually there's a huge thriving community of people right around the world who are very, very interested in this particular product, and that is snow globes. So loads and loads of people give snow globes as gifts, and loads of people also collect snow globes. Snow globes too. So, there's a double whammy for it. You've got people gifting it, and also people collecting them. So you've got really a perennial product, because you've got the gifting season, Christmas and things like that, of course, but you've also got people gifting it for birthdays, which is throughout the year, and it's a perennial product because you've got people collecting them too. Now, of course, they're two different people, the gifters and the collectors, and you would need to serve them differently. So the collectors, they're obviously going to look for more esoteric sort of snow globes, things to add into their collection, and the gifting people would want more generic stuff. Certainly Australiana-based things would sell very well here in Oz. But let me show you quickly what I mean when I say that this is a very, very good market. So we're going to use my good friend Merchant Words and go look at the search volume currently in the different Amazon marketplaces. So here we are, Merchant Words, and if I just type in snow globes, there we go. You can see already what's happening, and here we go. So there are 257,000 people that search for snow globes in the USA. Very, very developed marketplace, of course. Lots and lots of sellers on there, also lots and lots of buyers on there too. And then in the UK, which is also reasonably developed, you've got 54,000 people searching for this. And if we come to Australia, currently nobody is selling the products on the Australian market, which of course means either nobody is searching for them, or it's an underserved market. Now, to figure out which of those two it is, we're going to use Adwords, and we're going to kind of cobble together a few different data points so we can get a sense of the potential market here in Australia. So here we are on Google AdWords, and I'm using the paid version of AdWords. And when I say paid, all that means is I've got my credit card details into AdWords. I use AdWords all the time for marketing on Amazon. It's really, really good. But all you need to do is put your credit card details in, and you don't need to spend any money. You just need your credit card details in to get access to this level of data. Okay, so it's free. Google just wants your credit card details, that's all. So here we are in, you can see I've got the location set to Australia, and you can see I've searched for snow globes and some variants of that. Now, if I look at the impressions for that, I'm getting around about 7,500 people per month searching for snow globes on Amazon, which bodes very, very well. So clearly, There's a market in Australia for people searching for snow globes to purchase, to find out about them, to collect them, etc., etc. So that's a good data point for us to know. If we now come over to eBay, and we're going to see if there's any people selling them on eBay in Australia, because that will tell us the potential to actually sell them. Okay, now there's a great tool that you can use to do this called Terapeak. It's a paid tool, so I'm not going to go through it, but Terapeak gives you some amazing levels of information, and I've also got a video in my channel, somewhere on my channel, that explains how to use that. However, let's go with snow globes and just see if there's people selling them. Alright, so there are lots and lots of people selling them. We've got 1,621 results. So 1,621 current snow globes being sold on eBay, which again is good. You want to have that. You shouldn't shy away from people selling the product as well as you. You should embrace that because it tells you there's a marketplace there, and then your job is to out-market those other people, which when you know how is actually really, really simple to do. Most people have not got a clue how to sell things on Amazon or eBay. They just haven't got a clue how to do it. So you can see here that our #1 product is being shipped from the USA, being shipped over from the USA. And this is more of a collectible, wouldn't you agree? More of a kind of collectible snow globe going over to collectors in Australia. So that's also good. So now we've got an established marketplace. We know there's a market for the product here in Australia. We know there's people selling the product on another large e-commerce platform, eBay, and we know that there's people searching for this product as well, and we can also easily find suppliers for this product from here in Australia. So this is a great product. I'd love you to take this and run with it. The most important thing for you to keep in mind is Amazon's got a 3 feet drop test where they take your product and they drop it from 3 feet up, approximately a meter up. So you'll need to make sure that you package your product properly. But given that you do that, you're good to go. And now, of course, Amazon's opened up FBA here in Australia, so you can get your product sent to your customers quick as can be. And it's much, much cheaper and more cost effective than Australia Post and keeping the stuff in your garage. Now, if you'd like to learn how to sell snow globes or anything at all on Amazon, you might want to come and check out the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. It's a group of currently over 500 people right here in Australia, all selling products on Amazon. We do meetups and get-togethers, etc., 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 to help each other along. If you want to learn more about that, click on the link underneath this video. Thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you got some value from it. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below if you enjoyed this, good, bad, or indifferent. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.